it's pretty good for free. So I'll show you. Here's a box. First off, I won an entire set of 2011 Topps. Complete set. That's pretty cool. Doing nothing. Got a complete set. Pretty cool. This is actually my first complete set like that. Came like that, packaged like that. Okay, let's see what else I got. Alright. So I got that complete set. This is what else I got in the mail. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so I got, for free, I didn't even ask for this or anything, I got a shot glass from his site, which is pretty cool. That's nice of him. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. Houdini House of Cards shot glass. That's pretty cool. I also got this is from my Topps mini break. I got the Detroit Tigers Doug Fister gold out of a 61, Delman Young gold, Raymond Santiago gold, Luis Marte gold, Brandon Ing gold, and this one I got, this is a Hosmer relic. I got this also, was part of the contest when I got this free set. So I got this relic right here, and this is during the time when Hosmer was still doing pretty well, and he's a pretty big name. So I got this inside that contest for just going to the site every day. Pretty cool. The rest of there in there are, I do believe, just the base from the Topps Mini. All the base. So if you're a Tigers fan and you're looking for a Topps Mini base, I've got it. Let's see, there's another box in here. I actually have no idea what's in this box. It could just be empty. It feels like it's empty. Perhaps just to keep things from moving around. Yeah, empty. Pretty cool. Got all that today. Pretty stoked on that. Now let's get to box break-in. So the address is gonna be down there in the descriptions. If you've never been to that site, it's a pretty cool site. Still kind of small. He just started up recently, so nice small group of community. Everyone's really nice. All right, Topps Chrome box 1. Here we go. This is Hobby. Okay. Move this box. My desk is pretty small. Okay. Here we go. Pack 1. I've seen some videos of the breaks and the cards look pretty good, so I figure I'll go get myself some. Taylor Green, first card, base. Clayton Kershaw, base. Irving Falu, rookie card, base. Jesus Montero, base. They look nice. They got all silver border around them instead of a white border. Okay. Drew Hutchinson, base. Giancarlo Stanton, base. Jacob Turner, base. Cliff Lee, base. Wow, 2 packs of just all base. It's very interesting, considering last year you would get 2 packs of all base total. So hopefully those were my 2 packs. Okay, Brandon Phillips. Hold on, let me make sure you guys can see this. There we go. Brandon Phillips, base. Jimmy Rollins, base. Jamie Garcia, refractor. Billy Butler, base. And refractors this year do say refractor, by the way. Right there, refractor. Okay. Nothing crazy too yet, unless there is a short print I did not know about. Okay. Michael Pineda, Dylan Bentances, X-Fractor Dan Ugla, sorry. Pretty cool. Not numbered, I do believe. Yeah, not numbered. And then a Starlin Castro base. Next pack. Derek Jeter, base. Matt Dominguez, base. Paul Konerko, base. Liam Hendricks, base. Wow, it's a lot of base cards. Wonder if refractors are a lot harder to hit this year than last year. Ryan Howard, base. Derek Jeter, refractor. Kyle Seager, Mark Buller. Okay. Oh, looks like I got a die cut or a piece of something. Chris Young, base. Shane Victorino, base. Steven Strasburg, die cut. It's actually a pretty cool die cut. Die cut refractor, not numbered. And Kevin Youkilis, base. Alright. Eric Hosmer, base. Oh, first auto. Eric Surkamp, on card, rookie card auto. Pretty cool. Matt Holliday, Alex Avila. It's not colored, hoping for some color, but they all can't be winners, can they? Alright. Ryan Vogelsong, base. Mark Teixeira, base. Cameron Maben, refractor. Prince Fielder, base. Yeah, last year you would get 1 refractor per pack, except for 2 packs. This year it looks like it's coming a lot harder. Alex Liddy, rookie card. Troy Tulowitzki, X-Fractor, not numbered. Adrian Gonzalez and Lance Burkham. And I guess the X-Fractors are more common. Last year, X-Fractors were purely retail. So, Roy Halladay, Calvin Herrera, base. Devin Mesoraco, Adam Dunn, all base. Okay. Mike Napoli. Got Dylan Bestances, rookie card refractor. Carlos Ruiz, Alan Craig, all base. Okay. Yeah, it definitely looks like the inserts are harder to pull this year. Johnny Cuerto, Lucas Duda, Wei Yin Chen, rookie card, and Andrelton Simmons. By the looks of these cards, I definitely would never buy packs. I think with the way these packs are hitting, inserts harder to get or parallels harder to get, I think buying single pack, you would not win in this battle. Kyle Blanks, Mike Moustakas, Jose Reyes, and Michael Bourne, all base again. Yeah, can only imagine buying a pack and not even getting a refractor. Okay, Ryan Braun, Dustin Ackley, Shin Soo Choo, refractor, Cameron Maben, base. Okay, a couple packs left. Alright. Still yet to get any color. Alex Rodriguez, Matt Moore, rookie card, not bad. Robinson Cano, X-Fractor, Jamie Garcia, again. Still no color. Okay. Ichiro, base. Addison Reed, Joey Votto, Sin Soo Choo, all base again. Okay. Derek Holland, Ryan Howard, refractor. Ben Zorbis, Jason Vargas. Okay, last stack. Still no color. Still no color. Still got one auto to come. Austin Romine. Oh, I see the color right there. Looks like we got some black. Zach Greinke, Curtis Granderson. Slow roll it. Ready? Oh, Irving Fowlu. It's going to slow roll it, but it was upside down. Irving Fowlu, black. 46 out of 100. Maybe that's why I was low on colors, because I was getting a black. Okay, next pack. Still got one auto left. Carlos Santana, base. Jacoby Ellsbury. Aha. Miguel Cabrera. My other auto is an Addison Reed refractor. Auto. On-card auto. And look, centering is pretty darn good. And that should be numbered, right? Yep. 491 out of 499. Not bad. Not bad at all. Couple packs left. Here we go. Jameel Weeks, John Lester, Joey Votto refractor. Aha, Mike Trout. Nice. Mike Trout base. Oops. Okay. Still no Bryce. Still no you. But I got the Trout. Not bad. Josh Johnson, Nick Swisher X-Fractor, Drew Smiley, and Jose Bautista base. Okay. Mark Trumbo, nice. Oh, I got some color here. I'll save it for last. Ricky Weeks, Jason Hayward, and blue is going to be David Price. Again, pretty nicely centered. That's number 64 out of 199. He's a Ray. Alright. Last pack. Josh Beckett, Matt Dominguez refractor, Desmond Jennings, and Adrian Cardenas. Alright guys, that was my first box. If you guys need anything or whatever, you can message me here. I don't check it that often. You could find me on eBay and message me there instead. I do check eBay almost every day. It's a lot easier. I'll put my eBay in the description. And yeah, just check. I'm going to go and cut this off, and I'm going to start box 2. Thanks for watching.